Morning, here we are with a little 3-colour design we're going to do with the MiScreen. And basically what we've done is we've created artwork, 3 different pieces of artwork. We bring our first one in, we rotate it because it's going to, and we scale it to fit. And each of the piece of artwork that we've created are exactly the same size. This is a background colour that we're going to do. The next one is going to be a blue layer. The last one was yellow. This one's going to be blue. It's going to have blue eyes, blue wording, and then the last one is going to be the actual body. Now, what you'll notice when we've set the first one up, when we first brought the first one in, we rotated and set it all up. But because we're now dragging these images into the exact same window, preview window, it remains the exact same. It keeps the parameters that we've preset the exact same. So because this is going to print out a screen all in the same size, in the same position with each of our 3 files, as long as our 3 files are exactly the same size, we should get perfect registration. And we're going to go ahead now, we're going to make the screens, and then we're going to print them with them so you can see the end result. So we've probably seen enough of these sort of little bits before, so we're not going to run through that. Making the screens, we'll maybe show you one of them, and then we'll come back and actually print the design. So you've joined us back, and we've put our tester sheet down, and we've put our first colour that we're going to do is yellow onto our press. And what we're going to do is we're going to flash in between with a heat gun, just to give us, so we don't back onto the screen. I've got a lovely assistant with me today to help this flow. I'm just going to dry this off a bit. I don't know if you'll see on the video, but we've got nice little flecks of white in there, so it's held the detail pretty well. I've got a space for the eyes. So the next colour we're going to do is blue. Hopefully that'll be enough. And here's our next screen for blue. Put it in place. Put down a little bit of blue. One pull, no more. And again, somebody's very kindly taken this off. So in production, you would want that to be have somewhere to lay it. And you can see we've got tiny lettering down here, very small point size. So just now it looks okay. The proof will be in the pudding of this next one. Slap down a little bit of black. Once again. And there we have our little cat.